Hey, it's Daniel again. Can you pronounce these words? You don't know. Okay, pas inquieto. Ou pas prononcer yo? Okay, let me get them one by one. How do you pronounce this? How do you pronounce it? Comment prononcer mot ça? Try. Come on. How do you pronounce it? Réfrigérateur? Nope. Réfrigérateur? Nope. It's
refrigerator.
Refrigerator. Repeat after me. Refrigerator. 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 A refrigerator is a household appliance used for keeping food fresh. Refrigerator. Do you have a refrigerator? Do you have one? The short form of refrigerator is
Fridge?
Yeah.
fridge. Fridge. Forme courte refrigerator, c'est fridge. Il signifie frigo. Hey, Daniel, where's the fridge, man? Where's the fridge, please? Daniel, côté frigo, côté frigo, s'il vous plaît. Fridge. Fridge. Refrigerator, the short form, fridge. Let's see a second word. How do you pronounce this? Favorite. No. Favorite? No. I don't know. You don't know? It's favorite.
Favorite?
Favorite. Favorite. Repeat after me. Favorite. Soccer is my favorite sport. Soccer is my favorite sport. Football, c'est sport préféré. C'est ça me dit là, oui? Let's talk about movie star. Jimmy Jean-Louis is my favorite actor. Jimmy Jean-Louis is my favorite actor. Moi dit Jimmy Jean-Louis, c'est acteur préféré. Favorite. It's okay now. You can say it yourself. Hey, wait, don't go. How do you pronounce this word? Neighborhood, mon cher, c'est ça me konde dire. No, it's not neighborhood. It's
Neighborhood.
neighborhood. Repeat after me. Neighbor. It's not neighbor. It's neighborhood. It's not wood. Hood. Neighborhood. Neighborhood. My dad and I live in a quiet neighborhood. My dad and I live in a quiet neighborhood. Papa m'avait m'rete non quartier tranquille. My dad and I live in a quiet neighborhood. When he was a boy, he lived in the same neighborhood with Mesi. When he was a boy, he lived in the same neighborhood with Mesi. Lèl te yon ti garçon, li te vive nan même quartier ak Mesi. When he was a boy, he lived in the same neighborhood with Mesi. Hey, remember that. We have more words. Let's see another one. How do you pronounce this word? Library. Library, mon cher. Pas allié? No, it's not library. Do you want to know? It's
Library.
library. Library. Library. Library. Library. Young people should visit library every week. Young people should visit library every week. Jeunes yo doivent visiter bibliothèque chaque semaine. I read the book about Dessalines at the library last week. Mwen te li liv ki pale de Dessalines nan nan bibliothèque la semaine dernière. Don't worry, before the last vocabulary. How do you pronounce this? This vocabulary. Mel, mon cher, mel. Mel, oui? Yo tu voye mel ban mwen, hein? No, it's not mel. Do you want to know? Timba la men. It's male.
Male.
Male. Repeat after me. Male. Yeah. That's what we meant. Male. 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 Hey, don't forget to pick up the mail before getting in. Hey, pa bliye pran mail la avant entrer. Have you sent the mail to the bus? Est-ce que te voye email la by bus la? Yes, I have sent it. Yeah, the last for today. How do you pronounce this? Teeter? Feeter? No, it's not feeter. It's not teeter. It's theater.
Theater.
Theater. You can say theater or Theater. Not theater. Not theater. It's theater. Voiceless TH. Theater. It's hard. I know it's hard. Theater. Theater. This man worked in theater for 25 years. Next a te travaille dans théâtre pendant 25 ans. This man worked in theater for 25 years. You know, Mom, this day, I sat in the back row of the theater with my girlfriend. I sat at the back row of the theater with my girlfriend. Mwen te chita nan cinéma nan rangé derrière avec ménage moi. I sat in the back row of the theater with my girlfriend. So today, I think you can pronounce them yourself. All right? M'pense qu'on ka prononcer pour compte, pas vrai? Let me check. Let's go again. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Fridge. Favorite. Favorite. Neighbor. Neighbor. Library. Library. Mail. Mail. Theater. Theater. Again. Yourself now. Refrigerator. Fridge. Favorite. Favorite. The third one. Let's go. Neighborhood. Neighborhood. Now, the fourth. Library. Library. And the fifth. Mail. Mail. The last. You can say it. Let's go. Theater. Theater. That's great. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Daniel. If you appreciate it, please smash the like button right now. And then comment down in the comment section to say if you appreciate and what you learn in it. Catch you later. Bye.